Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a few simple ways to reduce your 3D printing time in Bambu Studio without sacrificing too much print quality. So first of all, you need to simply open Bambu Studio, then you just have to simply open your project as well. Now when you are inside the prepare section, you are going to see the processes option. So you need to make sure that the advanced tab is turned on. Now over here, simply click on the option of global, and then you are going to see these types of options over here. So first of all, when you click on the option of slice plate, you are going to see the information about it or the time that is basically it is currently using. So over here in the preview section, simply just go to the global section. Then in the quality, you just have to scroll down a bit and look for the option of avoid crossing wall. So when you simply just check this box in the max strength, you need to make it 400%. Afterwards, go to the strength tab, and over here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of sparse infill. Over here grid will be selected, so among the given option you just have to simply select the option of lightning. Then simply go to the speed section, and here too you just have to scroll down and look for the option of sparse infill, and over here you need to make sure that it is 270. So after making these few changes, you just have to click on the option of slice plate, and then it is going to show you that the time has reduced and you are going to see 1 minute difference over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.